I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send XRP to Trezor. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer and open the Trezor Suite application. Make sure your Trezor firmware is up to date for optimal security. Navigate to the XRP account within Trezor Suite to find your unique receiving address and destination tag. This information is crucial for a successful and secure transfer. Once Trezor Suite is open, select your XRP account from the dashboard. You'll see your unique XRP receiving address displayed prominently. Below that, you'll find the destination tag, which is a numerical identifier. Both of these pieces of information are essential for sending XRP to your Trezor. Double-check them before proceeding to the next step. Now go to the exchange or software wallet where your XRP is currently stored. Find the withdrawal or send option for XRP. Carefully paste the XRP receiving address you copied from Trezor Suite into the recipient field. Then, enter the destination tag into its designated field. Always perform a small test transaction first, perhaps 10 XRP, to ensure everything works correctly. After initiating the transfer, you'll need to confirm it on your Trezor device itself. Follow the on-screen prompts to review the transaction details and approve it. Once confirmed, the XRP should appear in your Trezor Suite XRP account within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Always double-check all details carefully before finalizing any cryptocurrency transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.